agenda. Do you have a copy? Okay. I think that there are about 8 modules. One starts with training overview. The second one is definition of terms. We now examine border migration in context, how it pertains to Nigeria. We now came to look at migration management and migration governance. If you do not know, times have changed. Before, it used to be migration management, and that directory is still available. Can you remind us what would be yesterday?
What is that? Yes, MIDAS. Maybe introduction about inflation. Right from when inflation was come out of this 1968.
You need to be versatile. You need to be updated. You need to listen to the latest, what is happening in the world.
So then we started by producing the overview of migration management.
We also emphasized on externalization of the border, putting the UK into a case study. We looked at the difference between border management and border governance, and the difference between it was the human rights factor attached to it. We also looked at the definition of border management, that it varies according to countries